choose only a few. Out of the over 200 people who were selected, they wanted only 24 students to go for that training. So I was lucky, I was amongst the 24. I think from the day I arrived in Kenya, I started being a coach at that age because many people want to learn what I had learned in China. Many people wanted me to teach them what we had learned in China.
I met Metthias 2017. He was the first one to teach me gymnastics and acrobatics. I never knew what I'm doing can take you places that you can never imagine in life. If our coach was doing this, then even we should do at least more better than him.
早上来打招呼，他都会说早上好。然后他们也教我私语嘛，在我自己跟他们的这个交流跟沟通的这个过程中，发现就是双方的文化都有很多的就是多样性，值得各自去学习的这个地方。
For me, what I'm doing now, I'm merging Chinese skills with African skills to be one and come out with something unique. We mingle all these things to be one, to show the connection, the unity. This culture and this culture to be one. Come up with new things.